No cream, no cheese, still creamy. All you need. Blend all the ingredient until smooth and creamy. Heat it slightly in a pan, then add your cooked spaghetti and mix well. It turns into this beautiful, creamy green sauce that's packed with protein, fiber, and flavor. Top it with chili flakes or herbs, and enjoy a guilt-free creamy pasta. Try this once, and you might never go back to heavy cream again.